Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is just a short but beautiful video about Swiss countryside. One of the local farms has organized an event and we have decided to visit it. And of course we were wondering what kind of food we could find there. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about beautiful Swiss views and the food that you can find here. We enjoyed the event. Swiss raclette and roasted pork were on the menu, but I have decided to have just some ice cream because it was too hot.